What's good, Prod Squad, man? It's your boy JR here, back with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we are going to be putting on tire stickers. This video is sponsored by JRTek3 so y'all make sure y'all go online and get you some tire stickers, man. Like, these tire stickers are very good. They're permanent raised rubber. They last a very long time. They're easy to clean, and the preparation and the application process is not really that hard. It is a little time consuming, but I mean, if you want it done right, you got to take your time, but it's not something that you want to rush doing. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and look at this, man. Definitely got to go ahead on and get those tire stickers put on. So y'all just stick around, man. We're gonna go on and put these things on. But matter of fact, let me just try this real quick. Let me see. I get it. The sun is down. The sun was up when I snapped my fingers first, and now it's down. But you get the effect that I'm trying to do. Anyway, let me go ahead and show you how I did this. All right, y'all, so I know that I've done this video before on the installs and everything. But I felt like I needed to do it again because this time I'm showing you the actual install of tire stickers from JRTek3 and their tire stickers are a whole lot different from other tire sticker companies. One being the fact that when they send the stickers, I don't even have them out here real quick, hold on. All right, one fact being is that when they send the stickers, they send them to you kind of already together. So other companies, when they send it, well, I've only tried one other company, which is Treadwear. When they send them to you, they just kind of throw all the letters in a bag. They're kind of mixed up, and you gotta figure it out and put it together yourself. But when tire stickers send you the letters, they send it to you like this. So like this, it's a lot easier, and I think it'll be a lot quicker to apply them. So you have 4 letters on the template. So that means that when you go to apply your glue and such, then you'll just have to do, you know, a few letters, place it up there, hold it up there for a few seconds, make sure that it's up there good, peel off this part here, and boom, you're good to go. So I feel like it'll make the process a whole lot quicker when you already have a bunch of letters together already. So I recommend doing 3 or 4 letters together to kind of space out the usage of the glue too. So with that being said, man, I'm not gonna hold y'all too long on this install. I'm gonna show you one tire and how to do that one tire, and you'll be able to do the same thing to the other 3 tires. So what I was gonna do is I was gonna take each tire off individually, lay it down flat, and do the cleaning process and apply the letters. But apparently when the tire company that I went to that put my tires on, put my lug nuts and stuff back on, they are like really tight. Now I really hope that they're not so tight that another shop or somebody else can't get them off, but I'm gonna be real with you, I can't get them off. I don't have a regular tire iron, like a 4-way tire iron, so I've been using, trying to use this right here, and man, I done stood on this thing and tried to break the lug nuts, and I can't break them, bruh. I can't break them. So I hope that that's not I really hope they didn't put them on too tight. I really hope they didn't. But so what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to just apply the letters while they're up here. And what I'm gonna do to make it a little bit easier, I'm gonna put the tire letters like around this size here where I can visibly see and, you know, reach with ease. I'm gonna do that for all 4 tires. All right, it's about 67, 68 degrees out right now. So this is probably ideal temp for you to do it in. If you want to do this yourself, I recommend that it be 65 degrees or warmer when you're putting these on. All right, so let me go and get into this install so we can shut this thing down. Okay, so when you're doing this install, the first thing that you want to do is use acetone. Based on what they're saying right here, for installation purposes, you'll have to have a clean rag, the glue itself, and the acetone. So the acetone, they tell you to clean the wheel about 10 times. Now, when I clean the wheel, I usually, well, they want you to clean the whole wheel. I think you just clean the whole wheel, that'll be safe. But because I've done this like 2 or 3 times, I feel like I just clean out the particular places that I'm gonna place the letters. And based off of my wheel pattern, my spoke pattern and stuff, I just basically clean that area maybe a few inches wider. And that way, you know, it kind of saves time for me. All right, so let me see. Based off of the wheel size, which you'll have to put in when you order the stickers, I have 1.5 on the back. That's the max I could go, so that's the max. That's what I went with. So these are the letters here that will be going on the back. These are the letters here that will be going on the front, since I got smaller tires in the front, which are 245s. I got 245s in the front, 275s in the back. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead on and get to this acetone part, and once I clean it off real good, yeah, then we'll go on to, let me see. So you clean off the tires, and you make sure you clean the back side of these letters as well, and then I'll come back and show you when I start applying the letters. All right, here we go. All right, y'all, we back. So I've cleaned off the tire with acetone. I cleaned off the whole tire. I just went on and did the whole tire. And basically, next what we're gonna do, or which I already did, is you have to clean the back of the letters with acetone as well. So I cleaned the back of the letters with acetone. Now we're gonna apply the glue that they sent. Now, in my opinion, I feel like they should have sent more than one. I mean, this looks small just from right here. I mean, for all 4 tires and all the letters, this should be enough glue. That's what they say, but I think they should have sent at least 2. You know, then that would guarantee it. So basically what they want you to do when you apply this glue is you're just gonna put like one line pretty much around and shape the letter. And then from there, what you'll do is you'll kind of spread the glue out, just distribute the glue evenly throughout the letter. And it's a pretty strong glue, I will give it that, so you probably don't need a whole lot on each letter. So I'm gonna go ahead on and put the glue on these letters, the first 4 letters, and I'm gonna go on and apply it. So I'm not sure exactly how fast the glue dries, so I'm just gonna go on and put the glue on the letters, and yeah, put the glue on the letters and put it on the wheel, because I don't have any way for y'all to really see me do it while I'm recording. I'm gonna try it like this and see if this works, but I'm not sure, because I want to make sure I get this right. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Alright y'all, so I have one side on right now, and as you saw when I was peeling the film off, there's another layer of film that's on the letters, like this right here. I know it's straight rubber and that's cool, and there's another layer of film up here on these letters here. So I'm almost tempted to leave that film on for a while at least. It's kind of like having a phone with a screen, with a factory screen protector, and just leaving it up there until you get a little wear and tear on the phone, and then snatching it off and it looked like new again, you know? So I'm thinking about just leaving this up here. I already took it off of this one. So this is gonna be like a test run right here to see how the regular, you know, rubber lasts against the film that's up here. And what I'm gonna do is just leave it up there for a while. I don't know, week or two, month maybe. I don't know, and just see what difference it makes in preserving the letters. So that's one side. It's already starting to look like it. It's looking like it's supposed to look now. It's starting to. So let's go ahead and get this other side done, and I'm gonna shut this thing down. All right, and that is one tire. That back quarter panel looking like it's supposed to. Yes, sir. Okay, so I did what I said I was gonna do. I left the plastic over the individual letters. You can kind of tell, but you can't really tell. So I'm gonna see if leaving the plastic on some the letters that I do have it on kind of helps preserve them. And hopefully it does, you know, hopefully it makes them last a little bit longer. If not, you know, I'll just go ahead and snatch the plastic off, and you know, you just had to go and clean it as usual, man. I'll drop a card up here so y'all can see the video that I made about cleaning these tire letters right here. It's not really that hard. It doesn't take long. To be honest with you, if you just keep you a rag and the cleaning material in the back, then you know, whenever they get dirty, you just wipe them off and be good to go. But other than that, man, I gotta go ahead on and get to these other tires right here. So I'll holler at y'all as soon as I finish. Peace. All right, Prod Squad, so we have completed the application of the tire letters. As you can see, your boy is back in the game. So just gonna take a look at it real quick. Yeah, it's 1.5 in the back. They look huge, but they look good. It's 1.25 in the front. You can't even tell the difference in the size. I can, because I put them on myself. But they look good, man. I like the smaller ones in the front. It's a lot easier to put them on. I know for a fact I won't have a problem with the whole peeling issue, because I think the ones in the front were too big last time. I didn't have any issues with any of them in the back at any time that I had these letters on, but they look good, man. So your boy's back in the game. Once again, man, I got to give a shout out to Tire Stickers, especially Bryson at Tire Stickers, man. If you haven't seen this video, I appreciate your help. Y'all, it was all through email, man. I emailed him and he hooked me up, man. He went on and hooked me up with the letters and everything. And also, everything just moved in a timely fashion. Some good people to work with, man. So you want to get you some tire stickers, make sure you go to TireStickers.com and grab you some. As you can see, they look real good. It's unique, man. You can do what you want to do. They sell all type of different font styles, and they got different sizes. They also have different colors as well. So depending on what you want to do, how you want to mix it up, they got anything to fit your needs. But as I always say, if this is your first time at the channel, don't forget to hit that like button. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. I already know what some of y'all gonna say. But listen, y'all, let me tell you something. This is your car. If you have a challenge, you do what you want to do to your car. Because without a doubt, I know that I done broke some necks in mine, even before the letters. Y'all know where to go follow me at on Snapchat and Instagram, all social medias. I'll holler at y'all in the next one. Peace.